Launch the app to begin. Welcome to the app. Select your desired state from the available options. The app requires GPS access to display your location on the map. This functionality helps identify the survey number and zone of your current location. Familiarize yourself with the interface, which offers a variety of features. Zoom into the desired location. If payment hasn't been made, the app will prompt you. Complete the payment process to unlock all app features. Use map gestures to zoom in and out. The map displays with a development plan overlay. Adjust the overlay's opacity using the slider for a clearer view of the location. Customize your map by adding markers. Click Add Marker to place a custom marker. A brief guide will appear. You can input specific details about the location. For instance, this is a custom marker. Long press the marker icon to drag it to the desired position. Markers can be edited after being placed. Click on a marker to access the edit option, update the information, and press OK. You can add multiple markers to the map. Long press and drag the markers to their required positions. To remove a marker, click on it and select Remove. You can also measure areas on the map. Click the Measure Area button at the top. Review the one-time instructions and draw a polygon by tapping points on the map. The area of the polygon is displayed at the bottom. Fine-tune the area by long pressing and dragging the markers used for measurement. Download the map with all overlays, markers and area markings. The downloaded map includes legends and a north arrow. Please wait while the image is processed. Complete the payment to download the map instantly. You can open and share the map once it's generated. The generated maps are saved to your device. Click the Share button to share the map. Thank you for choosing our app. We hope it enhances your experience and meets your needs. If you have any questions or feedback, please don't hesitate to reach out. Happy mapping!